got a new chainsaw. I finally picked one. I was gonna do electric, and then I'm like, no, I want gas. So I ended up getting the Husqvarna 440. It's 18 inches. It's 2 inches bigger than what I'm used to, but being I'm out here by myself, I didn't want to go too big. Want to be safer, so this one, not too crazy. So I'm gonna set the camera down and let's unbox this and see if I got my money's worth. Alrighty, here it is. I got this one. I've done steel, but I've had problems with the ones that my parents have. I wanted gas because I just feel it's better. I didn't want battery, because when I do use it, I use it the whole day. I don't just use it for a couple trees. I mean, I have still plenty to go. So I wanted something that's strong enough to last all day and not worry about problems. And I've just heard good things about it. When I looked online, I didn't look at videos for reviews. I looked at what people typed. Because if you get something and you're pissed, you don't like it, you're going to type it. Because if you made a video, it's going to be all bleeped out. So I went and looked at the reviews, and I heard many great things about this. And so that's why I got this one. And this is the first virgin chainsaw that I've had. I've used some, but never been the first one to use it. Last night, I didn't take nothing out. I did take this out to make sure I had the right gas and if I needed anything. And the same gas is what my parents already had, which is 50 to 1 for the chainsaws. So that was good. And unboxing this beauty. It's packed in there pretty snug. I got, oh, it's stuck in there. Wait, it's folded. Now can I just pull it out? I don't know about that. How they get it in there? Ah, there we go. My new friend. Nothing else in there. I like it, and that's why I wanted bigger. I really did. I wanted the 20-inch. But I don't have man muscles, and I wanted something that I can use and I feel safe using. Because before my dad had cancer, there was at least 3 people out here every time we had the chainsaw going. But since his cancer diagnosis and all the stuff he had to go through, I'm out here by myself. So I didn't want to go too big. I wanted to still stay safe. So that's why I got this 18-inch. And being that I've never done a virgin chainsaw before, we're going to see how good this quick start guide is. If it's going to work, we're going to find out. So it says mix the oil with 1 gallon of gas. So it's equal 50 to 1. That's what this is here. I hate this gas can. That's why it's got the chainsaw gas. Shake well, pour in the fuel tank. Now, where's the fuel tank? Air index engine. Ooh, cancer and reproductive harm. Good thing I'm not reproducing. And that's not in English. It's for the chainsaw retailer. This tag must not be removed. The chainsaw came with operation instructions for the operator, which is in that bag. This one right here is the gas and oil. Put her in. All right. So we did number 1, which is mix. Now I got to add bar oil to tank, and that it came with. Show you that. My little bag right here, I have oil, but we're gonna use 2-stroke oil. Where's the oil tank? Right here, on the other side of it. Two-stroke oil. Well, that's what I'm supposed to mix with the gas. But I got this other bar oil right here. Ugh. Oh, it's gonna get on me after I put my gloves on. I just don't want my hands to smell like man hands after I'm done for the day. Yeah, bar and chain oil. I'm so excited to start this up. I almost didn't want to do this unboxing because just wanted to start it up, but no matter what, I still have to go through the instructions and do all this. And it's probably safer for me to do it this way because I'm slowing down and taking my time, and it's not excitement that's in charge. Please stop spooging. Thank you. To prevent chain from moving during startup, engage chain brake. Well, I should probably take this off at some point. Hang on. Set this back over here. Just unsnap. I don't want to get the chain in the dirt, but gotta take this off. There's like a staple in it. Help me help you. Again, you can tell I didn't watch any videos because there's probably a lot easier way to take this chain cover off. Hold on. There's one little like staple that's hung up on it. Oh, cut towards your buddy, not your body, so I don't want to cut towards me. I get that part. Suck up that. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, she's pretty. I like it so far. Just got to see if it's gonna run for me. All right, to prevent chain by pressing forward on the handguard. That's brake on, pull choke. Hold on, get stuff out of my way, because when it's going, I'm gonna be happy. I guess I don't need the wrench right now, but it came with one for when I do need it. Choke butt. It's this guy right here. Out fully and lift button upward. Slowly press primer bulb 6 times. Which is right there. 2, 3, 4. See it filling up. There we go. Now it looks good. Pull starter rope sharply until engine attempts to start. I'm going to keep reading so that once it starts, I know what to do. Push choke button down fully once it's started. Pull starter rope. Squeeze throttle trigger. Set normal idle. Disengage chain brake, and then turn it to stop when I'm done. So let's see. Pull it, and then it won't start. Then I gotta turn choke off and pull again. Shiza. Don't have to pull that hard. That's what I'm used to pulling. Oh, shiza. Ooh, why are we so tight? I don't know, might have to go back to the instructions. Where's my engage button? What am I doing wrong? What's this say? Warm engine 1 to 2 times. +4, +5. Warm engine. I'm just reading that stuff right there. So I gotta still warm it up. I'm excited. Let's try it one more time, then I'm going to turn the choke off. Choke's off. Oh, not ready yet. Too soon. Not ready yet. It's like it's brand new or something. That was easy. I'm going to reposition the camera and we're going to try and use this bad boy now. Thanks, and I'll be back. Oop. With me, I don't want to walk up and get it. So I'm going to cut some trees or wood that's not going to fall where I have to about protecting my head. Let's try this log right here. Get lost in my new lathe. It's so smooth. I haven't cut a whole lot yet, but what I've cut, I can tell a difference, and I'm loving it. And it's not too heavy, me being a female. My first virgin chainsaw, the instructions, perfect. Don't have to read the thick booklet that came with it. Was able to start it no problem with just the basic easy guide. Cutting wood already, right off the bat. So now I gotta find some other wood to cut and see if I need my helmet and where I should go now. I might be back. Let's wait and see. Thanks again, guys. A couple logs down there, but I want to cut some more. And I already have these trees that have fallen and chopped up and hauled up here. So let's see if I could chop some of these up and get some more use out of my new Husqvarna 440. Digging it. I don't want to chop anymore because then I have to haul it farther. It's easier to haul one big piece than several little ones. So far I'm loving this. And my next time I fire the camera up, we'll be chopping wood. Don't know if it's going to be this wood, fallen trees, or a little bit of both. But so far I'm digging this. And I just like that it's not so heavy, but it has the torque that I've been wanting, and it cuts like butter. And when I come down next, I want to have another chain So instead of having to stop and sharpen it, I'll just swap it out. Then at the end of the day, I'll sharpen them both, so that when I come back the next time, I'll have two ready to go. Because again, I don't use it a lot, but when I do use it, I'll use it the whole day. So far I'm loving it. Started easy, went off the directions. Very easy. Still, I gotta be careful when I'm out here by myself, which that's a given. Can't be too cocky. Gotta know that it's very powerful and it could screw up, fuck me up, if I'm not careful. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you. And it's cold and it's getting dark.